なぜ生まれてきたのか、なぜ生きているのか、僕は知らない。なぜ死んでしまうのか、なぜ亡くなってしまうのか。
Hey everyone, time check, it's currently almost 2 p.m. So I wanted to do some organization because, to be honest, ever since I moved here, I've always had a hard time adjusting. My body clock is completely off and I haven't been as productive as I would like to be. But fortunately, we still have a month left of summer and I'd really like to make the most out of it, whether it's catching up on personal projects, resetting some routines, or simply finding more balance before the new semester begins. So I'm taking this as my cue to slowly get my life back together again. And one of the tools that's been helping me a lot is AKIFLOW. It is a productivity and time blocking platform that's been a game changer for me when it comes to planning my day. And what I really like about AKIFLOW is that I am able to combine all of the productivity tools that I use into a one clean inbox. So in my case, I have synced both my Notion and Google Calendar. So basically all my tasks are placed in one inbox, making it less intimidating and way organized. I also really like how I can easily drag and drop my task into a calendar. And if anything changes in my schedule, I can just reschedule them with one click, so no mess and no confusion. And what is also really helpful is that AKIFLOW allows me to create different projects, which I use to organize everything from school to personal errands and then content planning. The interface is also customizable, so you can tweak it according to your style or according to your vibe, which makes planning a little bit more enjoyable because I like changing up colors and color coding everything. I also like turning on their AI Copilot because it auto-assigns your task into a respective section so you don't have to do it manually. Now, I understand that this might seem overwhelming, but if you ever feel lost using the productivity tools, they also offer a free one-on-one onboarding session so that you can make the most out of the platform and they will teach you how to use it efficiently. So if you're like me, who is starting to organize their life and get back into routine, or someone who just really wants to learn about time blocking, I would definitely suggest AKIFLOW. And if you are interested, I will leave the link in the description box down below. Thank you AKIFLOW for sponsoring the portion of this video, and happy planning. Some salt. Check. Whoa.
Also 3 custom white balance.